This is Farabi and Saida Fatima and me, we are teammate and we have a big digital marketing agency and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So at first I want to introduce our agency to you. So can I share my screen?
Why don't you tell me how you can help me first?
Okay. We will help you to grow your YouTube channel and we will help also to gain more organic views and we will help you to hold our YouTube journey.
What are the problems you're seeing of my YouTube channel?
We found some on-page SEO problem on your channel. I will elaborate each and everything. So give me just 5 minutes. I will describe everything, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So I am sharing my screen. Just a minute. Give me permissions for sharing my screen. This is our website, fsdfreelancehelp.com. In this website, you will find all of our contact informations and all about us. And if you scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached here, and I am CEO and founder of this agency. And we have lot of previous work history. If you go to our client meeting sections, then you will find there are lot of previous work history we have attached here. And maximum of our buyer from USA. This guy is from USA. He hired us for $500 work. This guy is from China, this guy is from USA, this guy is from USA, this guy is from France, this guy is from Czech Republic, and maximum of our buyer from USA. And if you go next, then you will find more and more previous buyer meeting and our work history. And we have lot of freelancer working in our team. If you go to our team sections, then you will find there are a lot of freelancer working in our team, and they all are expert. They working beside our team. They working on Fiverr and Upwork, and Saida Fatima is one of them. And if you go next, then you will find there are 300 plus freelancer working in our agency. And we have a YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, FSD Freelance Help. On this channel, we have gained 1 lakh 2K subscriber and uploaded 174 videos. And if you go to our videos popular sections, then you can see 1.5 million views, 8 lakh 46K views, 5 lakh 49K views, and many more. And all of the views we have gained organically with the YouTube SEO. So that is about our agency, sir. So recently, our team member has audited your YouTube channel and found some problem. And if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow, sir. So if you are interested,
Okay,
then
I would love to know what the problems are, please.
okay. The problem is your video SEO is not optimized properly because you are not optimizing your video title, you are not optimizing your video description, and you are not optimizing your video text. Text means you are not using high volume rank text to your videos, and your SEO score is not up to the mark. As a YouTube SEO expert tools, if you want to grow your video very fast and want to gain more organic views, then you have to gain video SEO score up to 100 out of 100. But your video SEO score is not up to the mark. We already sent an email all describing to you. And if you want, we also can fix all of the problem. We will optimize your video title, text, and descriptions, and we will recharge high volume rank text for your video. High volume rank text means which text has high search volume but competition is low. That type of text we will research for you. And when we optimize your each thing, then your video SEO score will increase. And then you will start to growing. And when someone search related to your video, then your video will get more organic views. As like I am showing again, just a minute. If someone search related to your video on YouTube, like if you search here, digital marketing full course Bangla, and enter, then there are thousands of videos regarding digital marketing, but my video is on top. My video is on top. There are thousands of videos regarding this.
So I have a lot of questions. I'm sorry to cut you off. I have a lot of questions.
Okay.
So you said that the problem with my YouTube channel is the title is not optimized, correct?
Yeah.
So how do you plan to optimize it for me?
Okay. We have a lot of tools to optimize the title, text, and descriptions. And we're using a lot of tools, lot of methods we know because we are expert. We are working with tons of client. So we have a lot of tools to optimize it.
Okay. Can you show me a case study? Some people who are having the same problem as me and how you solve their problem?
Yeah, obviously. There are a lot of proof we attached already in our website. If you want, you can check after finishing the meeting.
So you're saying you're referring me to the website.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir. For YouTube issue, now I am telling you our prices and packages. One is weekly and another is monthly. In our weekly package, we will optimize your 10 video SEO optimization and it costs $120. And another is monthly package. In our monthly package, we will optimize your 30 video and it costs $300. And our work starting method is we have two methods to start the work. One is you can give your channel access to us as an editor or editor limited, then we can optimize each of the things from our side. You do not need to do anything. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have another method, which is you just send your video link. Which video you want to do SEO, just send the link, then we will optimize and make a report sheet and then hand over to you. And then just you copy and paste to your video by yourself. Okay, sir?
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay. And our payment system is when you hire us, then you have to pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And we support PayPal, we support Remitly, and we support Western Union to get the payment.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, sir. So if you have any questions, then you can ask.
No questions. I don't know what the problem is, and I don't know what the solution is yet.
Okay.
So no questions at this point.
Okay, sir. So after finishing the meeting, our team member will send our website link to you. You can just us, you can visit our website and think about us. And if you are satisfied, then inform us. Then if you hire us, then we will work for you.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.